Prime Minister held crucial meetings at his residence with top ministers to discuss the ways to end the farmer protests on Saturday. With farmers firm on their demand of repealing the farm laws, the centre once again assured that the MSP is going to remain. Here's a look.
With protests intensifying and farmers digging in their heels over the newly minted farm bills, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stepped in. On Saturday morning, Prime Minister chaired two high-powered meetings deliberating over proposals to be made to the agitating groups. Union Ministers Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal got into a huddle with the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, a little later, also met Amit Shah and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. India Today has learnt that government may give written assurance on continuing MSP purchase. They may propose widening role of APMC to strengthen mandis and impose compulsory registration of private sectors. A relief over 1 crore rupee fine for stubble burning was also mulled.
किसानों के हितों के प्रति मोदी जी की सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है, तो जो कुछ होगा या जो कुछ किया जाएगा वो सिर्फ किसानों के हित में ही होगा। इसका भरोसा देश के किसानों को रखना चाहिए।
The centre has been asserting that the farmers were being misled and the farm laws are aimed to benefiting the agri sector.
आशंकाओं के आधार पर भ्रम फैलाने वालों की सच्चाई लगातार देश के सामने आ रही है। जब एक विषय पर इनका झूठ किसान समझ जाते हैं, तो ये दूसरे विषय पर झूठ फैलाने लग जाते हैं। जिन किसान परिवारों की अभी भी कुछ चिंताएं हैं, कुछ सवाल है, तो उनका जवाब भी सरकार निरंतर दे रही है, समाधान करने का भरपूर प्रयास कर रही है।
While the government is showing signs of making some concessions, but with farmers' unions firm on complete rollback of the new laws, the middle path seems elusive for now. With inputs from Rahul Srivastav in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.